Finally, in your packet, you will find a set of number cards and counters. Once you cut the numbers out, you will have your child identify the numbers in random order. Put the numbers in order from 1 through 10, and then flip over some of the numbers and see if your child can figure out what is missing. Grace and Patterson, in your backpack, you've got a lot of numbers. And I'm going to play a couple of games with you with the numbers. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to mix them all up, and I want you to tell me what the number is.
10, 5.
Oh, you guys are fast.
3, 4, 8, 9, 2, 1, 6, 7.
You guys are pretty good at those, aren't you? Let's try another game. After they're fluent with number recognition, then use the counters to practice making sets of numbers. For example, ask your child to find a specific number card and then place the correct number of counters to match the card. Have your child count using one-to-one matching by saying the number as they move the counter. This time, what I want to do is I'm going to lay out all the numbers. Check this out. Well, you can see them. So I've got all the numbers. Now you can't look at them. They are. And what I'm going to let you do is you are going to pick up one number. You can flip over any number you want. And then you can see what the number is. What number is this?
9.
What is that number? Huh? 8. So now you've got to find out where 8 goes. So watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8.
So let's move that one out of the way. Move that one out of the way. Flip it over. I'm going to put this one. What number is that?
3.
So
now
we're
I
just...
have to go all the way over here.
Let's turn it so you can see it. Okay. And give that one to Grace. Grace, you figure out that one.
Oh, it's going to go all the way over here.
Look at that. Now number 1 is in its place. Give that one to Patterson.
Number 7.
Give that one to Grace. A little teamwork here, isn't it?
4. Oh, it's in front of me.
Ooh.
2. I know that move. Go.
You guys are pretty good at this.
Whoa.
Hang on.
Ooh, 5. I know where that goes, and I'm not going to look.
Not even gonna. You just knew that. How did you know that? Because 5 is one more than
4.
4.
I forgot, wait. It's right. No, it's right here. I'll just take it.
Okay. Okay. Oh, what is that?
It goes right there.
So are you kidding me? That means that this has to be number
10.
And it was in the right spot all along. Look at that.
I'm in the
Very cool. You know what I'm going to do this time? I'm going to flip the numbers back over. I'm going to flip the numbers back over, and I'm going to mix them all up. And I'm going to give some to you and some to you. How many do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, now,
5 and 5.
what you're going to do is you're going to flip over one of your numbers. Who's going to, let's see, we'll let Grace go first. Grace, flip over a number. What is your number?
9.
What is that number?
Oh, 8.
8. And I want you to show me 8 counters. Can you make a set of 8? Count them out for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Look at that. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, Patterson, you flip over a number. What is your number?
7.
Okay, can you make a set of 7?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Grace, can you count that and make sure it's 7?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I love the way that you're touching them when you're counting them to keep up with your count. Good job. All right, flip over another one. Let's let Grace have a turn, and Patterson's going to check it out. What number is that?
5.
Okay. Count it out. Make a set.
Oh, that's going to be easy.
You think?
If we had 1, that would be so easy.
You can do that one quickly. Oh, look at
Okay, I'll just
that.
take
You
one.
got 2 and then 3 more. How many is that?
5.
You think it's 5? Patterson, count it. Let's see if that's right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's a thumb up. Good job. Well, you know what? There are all kind of games you can play with these. So, you know what's nice is when you have these cards, you can play some of these games together. It's kind of nice to have a friend that lives at your house, isn't it? Good job. Thank you. Numbers are very important in kindergarten, and the more practice they have with counting, the better off they will be.